In this video, I will be showing you how to stretch an image in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage. I move my cursor up to the top left corner and click on the purple Create a Design button. From the menu that pops up under the Frequently Used section, I locate and click on YouTube Thumbnail to open a new 1280 by 720 pixel project. This opens up a fresh, blank canvas in the editor. Once the canvas loads, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Elements. Under the Elements panel, I find the Recently Used section and click on See All to browse through my items. I locate the graphic element I want to use, which is this pink decorative ribbon frame, and click on it to add it directly to the center of the canvas. To give myself a clearer view and more space to edit, I click the small collapse arrow on the sidebar to close the side panel. Next, I click on the image element to select it, then drag it up towards the upper section of the canvas. Now, to scale and stretch the image, I hover my cursor over the circular handle at the bottom right corner of the bounding box. I click and drag the corner handle outward to expand the dimensions across the canvas. After resizing it, I click and reposition the graphic back toward the middle. To extend the element further across the canvas area, I use the bounding handles along the sides and bottom. I click and drag the edges outward, stretching the frame so it fills the screen to my desired width and height. I gently move the element until the purple alignment guides appear, confirming that the image is balanced and centered. Finally, I click off the element onto the empty canvas to deselect it and preview the final result. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to stretch image in Canva.